नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपके साथ नम्रता। अक्सर अपने बयानों की वजह से सुर्खियों में रहने वाले कांग्रेस नेता राहुल गांधी आजकल अपनी फिटनेस और मार्शल आर्ट अकीड़ों की वजह से सुर्खियों में छाए हुए हैं। कभी वो पुशअप्स करते हुए दिख जाते हैं तो कभी लड़कियों को मार्शल आर्ट सिखाते हुए दिखते हैं। केरल में हो रहे विधानसभा चुनावों के दौरान तो कुछ ऐसा ही नजारा देखने को मिल रहा है। कांग्रेस को जिताने के लिए केरल में पसीना बहा रहे राहुल गांधी सोमवार को यहां के कोचीन इलाके में स्थित सेंट थेरेसा कॉलेज में पहुंचे थे, जहां उन्हें छात्राओं को संबोधित करना था। वो छात्राओं से बात कर ही रहे थे कि कॉलेज की एक छात्रा ने उनसे पूछ लिया, मैंने सुना है आपने अकीडो मार्शल आर्ट सीखा हुआ है। जैसा कि ये लड़कियों का कॉलेज है तो क्या आप हमें सेल्फ डिफेंस की कुछ तकनीकें सिखा सकते हैं? अगर कोई किसी लड़की का हाथ खींचे तो क्या करें?
Referring to a statement about your women's safety that you told us, I have heard that you have learned Aikido martial arts. As this is a women's college, can you teach us some self-defense techniques for us?
Now?
Yeah. Just a small self-defense technique.
Teach you a small self-defense technique.
Like if somebody holds a girl's hand, how can we, like?
I can show you a principle.
Okay.
It'll take some time.
Yeah,
You want to see a principle?
Yeah, sure.
How much time do we have? 10 minutes? I can show you a principle if you want.
Yes, we want it, right? You want it, right?
You want to see it?
You want it.
I mean, you're making me do strange things, but I can show you an Aikido principle that you can use in your life.
Yeah.
So I'll need any one girl to come up here. Okay, you come. Okay, I'll need one more girl right now. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to do something. Take off your shoes. Okay. Sit. It's okay. I can touch shoes. It's not a problem. Sit down. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to sit down like this.
Yeah.
I want you to put your feet flat and open them. And then I want you to do this. Okay? Now, come. Now, she's going to push you. She's going to push you. Wait, thoda piche ho jaye. She's going to push you. Okay? You push her. You push her here. But don't push her with a jerk. Push her slowly.
कॉलेज की छात्रा ने जैसे ही सवाल पूछा, अकीडो मार्शल आर्ट में ब्लैक बेल्ट होल्डर राहुल गांधी तुरंत एक्शन में आ गए और मंच पर ही कुछ वॉलंटियर्स को बुलाकर उन्हें मार्शल आर्ट अकीडो सिखाने लगे। शुरुआत में उन्होंने 2 छात्राओं को अकीडो सिखाया और फिर बाद में कुछ छात्राओं को बुलाकर यही मार्शल आर्ट की एक्सरसाइज सिखाई और बताया कि समाज इसी तरह से आपको धक्का देगा, जिसका जवाब आपको इस तरह से देना है। आइए आपको दिखाते हैं राहुल गांधी किस तरह से किसी टीचर की तरह छात्राओं को मार्शल आर्ट अकीडो की ट्रेनिंग दे रही हैं।
So I'll need any one girl to come up here. Okay, you come. Okay, I'll need one more girl right now. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to do something. Take off your shoes. Okay. Sit. It's okay. I can touch shoes. It's not a problem. Sit down. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to sit down like this.
Yeah.
I want you to put your feet flat and open them. And then I want you to do this. Okay? Now, come. Now, she's going to push you. She's going to push you. Wait, thoda piche ho jaye. She's going to push you. Okay? You push her. You push her here. But don't push her with a jerk. Push her slowly. You resist. No. From here. Like this. You resist. Can you see? She slowly. Push slowly. Okay? Push slowly. Slowly. Push. Right? Push. Push her over. It's easy. It's easy, no? Bhaiya, thoda hat jaiye so they can see. Can you see that it was easy? Okay, now I'm going to show you something. Okay? So now put your hands up. No, put your hands on your shoulders. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to take this wrist. First of all, I want you to change your position slightly. Okay? So what I want you to do is instead of sitting straight, I want you to take your back, keep your back straight and push your back in. More in, and open your legs, open your feet. Flatten this completely. Yeah. Okay, good. Flatten this out. And keep the back straight. Put your head up. Okay. I want you to maintain this position. Then I want you to put your hands here. Lean forward. Put the other hand there. Now I want you to keep these things together. And I want you to push this into her hand. Okay. She's going to push. Yeah. You lean forward. Don't lean back. Lean forward more. No, wait. You lean forward more. More. Okay. Now you push. Okay. I want you to do this. Now stand up. You take your position. Open. Okay. Remember what I'm saying. Your back has to come down and then you have to use this. Okay. Now can I have 3 more students? 3, 4. Come. I'm going to show you the Congress party now. Come. Now, put your hand here. The same way. No, you stand straight and put it like this. Okay, go on. Okay, 1 second. You do what I told you. Lean forward. You go back a bit so you can push properly. Lean forward, look up. Now, all I want you to do, remember. Hold on. No, relax. Hold it. All I want you to do is, when she's pushing here, you leave this hand open. And when she pushes, lift this to the sky. Okay. No, slowly. Not very slowly. Okay. Push. You lift to the sky. No. Put your back straight. Back straight. No, back in. This way. Okay. Yeah, more, yeah. And open your legs. Okay. Open your legs fully. Yeah. Okay, good. Okay. Stand up. Now you put your hand on her thing. My hands. Yeah. Lean forward. Look up. No, look. Yeah. Now you push. Okay, now push. No. Hold on. Don't let them do that. Okay, stand straight. Open. Okay, open. Put it up. Look up. You have to look up and you have to put your back straight up. More forward. And look up. Yeah. Okay. Push, look up. You have to look up. Good. And you have to, 1 second, put this foot, flatten this foot. No, 1 second, you can't cheat. Okay, listen, do it to me. Come. Huh? Okay, come. Look up, don't worry. You remember pushing this hand up, okay? You look forward and put your chest down. No, you have to push it forward. Look up, you keep looking down. Okay, now stand up and lean more forward. You have to make the, look here. Look at me. You have to make the triangle. Okay. This has to become a triangle. Yeah. Make a triangle. Yeah. Exactly. Now come. Now put your hand. Now put it up and keep your head up. Okay. Push. Lean forward more. Push into it. Yeah. Push. What do you think of that? She's not tough. She's not. She is using your strength. She's using your strength. Now that's Aikido. You want to try it? Come. Now you explain it to her. Come down. I'm going to be in trouble with time today. Go down. Okay, flatten your feet. Okay, very good. Now, you explain it to her. Okay, now what you're going to do is, put your hands there. Now when she pushes, all you're going to do is you're going to take this, look, and this. Now you're going to put your back straight, more straight. Now when she pushes, right, you're going to push this to the sky. Bring this here. No, up, below her. Open this. Open the hand. Now, when she pushes, you're going to just push this up to the sky. Push. You push. Good. Okay, now you start. Come. Lean more. Look up. Yeah. Push. Go on. Push. See what's going on? This is an empowered woman. So, you can show your friends how it works, okay? Okay. Thank you. Did you like that?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, girls.
Who asked
Thank you,
me?
sir.